before I proceed, I'd like to take this time to acknowledge the presence of the Director for the Division for Asia and Pacific, Department of Technical Cooperation of the International Atomic Energy Agency, or IAEA, Mr. Deng Ge, as well as to the presence of our Chair for the RCA, Ms. Li Xiao, to our distinguished national representatives of the government of parties of the RCA, to the coordinator of the Forum for Nuclear Cooperation in Asia, to the Pacific Island country observers that are here with us this morning, to our senior government officials, particularly from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways, to our Deputy Secretary that is also here with us this morning from the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways, to our distinguished guests. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor and privilege to join you all today, this morning at the 47th Regional Meeting, the National Regional Cooperative Agreement of Representatives. And on behalf of the government, the people of Fiji, and as the host country, I am pleased to greet and welcome you all here in London this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, the Regional Cooperative Agreement, or RCA, as we know, is a framework for solidarity, knowledge sharing, and scientific advancement. The agreement was established in 1972 under the auspices of the International Atomic Energy Agency, and it brings together 22 countries in Asia and the Pacific, including our beloved Fiji, in the peaceful use of nuclear science and technology to address real-world problems. Furthermore, the sub-regional approach to the Pacific Islands program has supported Pacific challenges with a tailored approach to meeting specific needs in complementing our respective priorities, and with a focus on resilience to building better and greener economies. Ladies and gentlemen, this tailored approach drives the development and delivery of areas where nuclear science and technology has contributed to a broad spectrum of projects with IAEA technical cooperation programs in the Pacific, to which fellow Pacific Island country observers can agree on. Fiji's collaboration with the RCA through the IAEA has produced benefits such as strengthening agriculture and food security, combating climate change and protecting the environment, advancing human health and medical services, building human capital, creating a platform of regional solidarity, and building new networks. Ladies and gentlemen, the benefits of the RCA to Fiji are tangible, lasting, and deeply appreciated. But beyond the technical assistance, the RCA represents something even more powerful, and that is a shared commitment to peaceful progress through science. And as a key leader within the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways, I can attest that Fiji's increased engagements in the last 3 years, with 21 other member country states of the RCA has broadened and strengthened relations and improved capabilities. Fiji's agricultural sector currently has the most of the RCA projects implemented in the country, and possibly the highest number of staff have been trained under this program. And I am delighted to also share that for the first time, Fiji has also submitted a project proposal which has been approved and will be implemented to address issues faced by our farmers in cultivating vegetative propagated crops. And I must commend you all for prioritizing this meeting and utilizing your resources and time to be here today and for the rest of the week to discuss issues of common interest to all our people in the Pacific region through the lenses of research, development, and training. And I'm certainly And I'm certain that this opportunity will herald a new era in our relations and strengthen our cooperation. Let us continue to build on this partnership, and let us continue to invest in nuclear science, not as an end, but as a means to achieve sustainable development, health, prosperity, and peace for all our people. And with that being said, I wish you all a prosperous and successful week. And thank you very much.